Let's practice one more scenario. I am a passenger seated at the emergency exit with my bag, and I'm not ready to put my bag in the overhead bin. You have to convince me to put the bag in the overhead bin. So you are the cabin crew and I'm going to be your not so good passenger today. So let's go ahead and see how you handle the situation. Ready? Let's go. Oh no, this is a very expensive bag and I'm not putting it in the overhead bin. I paid extra for this seat. I can manage it. I can take care of my bag. There are valuables inside. Alright, fine, I'll put it. Great! You did an excellent job. Practice these scenarios for your next interview, and if you want more such practice, comment practice.